Very important for schools to convey those messages, because we are not influencing just few. We have the power to influence so many kids and in so many families. This is Renu Dimri. I am principal of the school. And this school, I'm founder principal of the school, I should say rather, right? Because the school, this is 4th year for us. And we were one of those few schools which started during COVID. So that was actually an amazing experience, because first of all, having online classes and then starting the school amidst that was a challenge. But must say that being DPS and having that complete support system from the management, things work really well for us. I must say that whether it is a very broad corridors to lovely classrooms, the space the classroom provides, right? And library equipped with 5,000 plus books, and the computer lab, which is again having 80 plus systems. The science labs, though we have classes till 9th, but our labs are well equipped for classes till 12th. So that's the vision of the management, that provide the kids the best of the place so that they feel safe, secure and happy. Beyond the 4 walls of the classroom, the teaching can also happen. So that's the basic concept of the school. And so whether it is dance, yoga, music, theatre, everything happens in the school, in their hobby plus in their regular classes also. I think there are few things, like one thing is it comes in a very handy way, easy for teachers to use in the school, and kids can go back and use it at home. Then the content of that, right? The content is put very thoughtfully, and the assessment part of it really helps the teachers, because teachers don't have to prepare, and difficult to get those quality questions all the time. So that quality of questions and the easy access to that is something which makes it interesting for teachers as well as students in the class.
Hello, I am Anubhuti and I am a science teacher in the school. Teaching app, actually Extra Marks, has helped me a lot. There are few concepts in science when we teach students, they just visualize and they are not able to understand. The videos from the chapters of grade 6 lessons has actually helped us in making them understand in a better way. Along with this, there are many things. I have used videos. Along with videos, I have used the question bank, which has actually helped my students to understand the concepts more clearly and better way. Again, there were some questions in between, which I have taken up during the videos, which has helped me a lot.
My name is Arya. I am currently studying in Delhi Public School, Bangalore West, and I am in 8th grade. With the changing technology happening right now, I think I'll be much prepared for the future, because there's going to be many opportunities coming up. I feel like in Extra Marks, I like the tests the most, as well as the video explanations, because they're very clear, and I use both the video explanations as well as the tests features. When I'm using the learning app, it's very easy for me to learn, and it's very easy for me to look at topics and understand them clearly.
As I said, it's just a happy school where more and more kids come. They feel safe and secure. Parents feel happy sending them to school. And as a school, we again believe that it is for all the stakeholders. It's not just for the students who are coming, but the families. So any messages which we have, it always goes for the whole family. So let's learn together, let's have fun together.